The Apprentice School is based out of Virginia and is a vocational school that has very large connections with the United States Navy and military. So as you can imagine, when I went to go speak there, they had me sign several things. I had to turn some documents in, do a background check. They even covered up the camera on my phone and also my laptop so that I wouldn't record anything. So to say that I was nervous going to that school was an understatement, because I was really nervous that maybe I would go in but never come out. Good news is I did come out. But when I was there, I was sitting in the hallway waiting for my connection to come meet me. And I was sitting there feeling rather nervous, and a janitor walked by and said hello to me and smiled at me. And it kind of changed my mood just a little bit. But then two students from the school walked by and also said hello. And all of a sudden the nerves started to come out of me, and I felt more relaxed, more comfortable simply by them saying hello to me. You know, it got me thinking how often within communities we do these large, over-the-top, exaggerated events, and we spend thousands of dollars on those, but yet a simple smile while I'm sitting there in the hallway made me feel welcome, made me feel connected, made me feel engaged, which is exactly what we're trying to do when we're building that culture of connection. So instead of thinking about the huge, massive event, think about how you can make someone feel welcome, connected, engaged with your micro actions. What are the little things that you can do within your community to help people feel that sense of belonging? But you know, the other part here is that that janitor and those two students, they weren't the heads of the school, they weren't the heads of that community, but yet they played a role too. And at the end of the day, our community, the people who make our community successful, aren't just the leaders, it's everyone. Everyone plays a role to helping new people feel welcome, connected, and engaged. My name's Tom, and I am here to help you with our content to increase the connection and engagement with your people in your community. Till next time.